Hello traders, it's me Krasimir Panayotov and we're back in the YouTube channel with another trading video analysis and strategy that you can use. Look at this, guys. Now in front of you is the New Zealand dollar US dollar, the 15-minute chart. And as you can see here, we have some beautiful symmetrical triangle which we can use for our trading. Now what do we usually do when we have this pattern on our chart? Well, we first wait for a breakout or above or below the triangle, and then we enter a trade. But I want to share with you something interesting with a very small risk and very big reward. So before the breakout of the triangle, we only have about 50-50 chance the price to go or bullish or bearish. But in this case, guys, I buy the price really low, just when it touched the lower support area or the lower trend line, and I want to show you a little bit backwards how the chart looks like. So usually this pattern is a continuational, so it should usually go up. But if we go on the daily chart, you can see that there was a massive downtrend, then a correction, and now probably a new downtrend can start forming. But what do I mean by this trade? I wanted, guys, to tell you that I entered a buy here, set a very small stop loss here, like $12, I believe. And I take all of the size of this triangle. Okay, I applied after a potential breakout. So if we have a breakout here, then we can look for take profit target somewhere here. And I set my take profit target somewhere here, the red line, because we actually have some resistance there, support and resistance level. And if we go back on the daily, we see that it is existing support and resistance level. So why not I to take my profit a little bit earlier and not chase the full target of the triangle? So this is it, my trade, guys. It's going very good until now. So far, I can say. Of course, here we can resist and start turning bearish, but it's okay because I have only risked $12 to make $260. Well, that's something nice which you can use. Of course, it will mostly go losing, but you don't lose much, so it's cool. Also, I can add position if I see a valid breakout. Oops, let me see what I mean. So if we break out somewhere here and the price start correcting to the downside, then we can buy at the retest of the triangle and look for a bullish move to the upside. So this is how you usually trade this pattern, and what I'm doing today is just exception, but with a sweet risk to reward ratio, like 1 to 20 risk to reward. So see you in the next, guys, video, and peace. I'm out.